Yo, there's some vlog type shit up in this bitch. It's like a motherfucking spaceship up in here. Oh my god, turn that down. Or can I just cook some little kids? Now they're geeking over our cars. You need a exhaust.
I might just put her on cam. Break guns on the pants. I hope we never speak again. Demos that came anyway. I'm so high up. I don't wanna land. Roll out of fire. Go lay in the sand. I might just put her on cam. Break guns on the pants.
These are so nice. The new ones.
I love them, as you can tell.
I've never been in a brand new one.
Really?
No.
Just like they're a magnet to the road, though. When you go around turns, it wants more.
Yeah.
Oh, I missed that. Okay, let me do that again. Where's my glasses? I'm gonna put it. I couldn't. There's a car coming.
Should have been a race car. You really should have. I don't know why you did.
It's all the years of truck driving. Solomon will be
Yeah.
just like it. Gotta be safe somewhere.
How many miles is this out?
1135.
Dustin, you're a madman. Yo!
I'm really scared. Ugh, I'm not doing it.
Pulled up to my house and I found these two motherfuckers chilling.
Don't show them what's outside, though.
Don't show them what's outside.
You're gonna show them what's outside?
I was planning on it.
But it's just there's nothing outside. I had issues and I thought it was the spark plugs again because we pulled them out and they looked really bad and we cleaned them. And then I don't know what happened, but I did like a pull like 80 and I let off. And then it just like, I think it was like a clogged injector and it just fixed itself. And it was the last like 30 minutes here, it was running so well. I was just doing pulls the whole way.
You're geeking out a little bit.
It's so
He's been geeking out the
it's
whole
so
time.
fun.
A lot of flames, a lot of flames.
I know we're on shoes.
I know.
Let's see it. Sheesh, dude. So excited that it's out.
I'll give you a ride, but I don't want to wake up the neighborhood.
Bro, fuck the neighborhood. They're all old
You
and
gotta
like,
sit on the floor.
bro, Jonah, go in the garage and get a crate.
I mean, yeah.
I'm kidding. Do you know what this car is?
Firebird?
Firebird.
No.
Close guess.
Was that close?
You're so far.
Same engine as the Firebird.
Yeah.
Hey, okay, so that makes it a Firebird.
But it didn't come in this car.
Has Jonah seen the motor?
Steering wheel on the top.
Huh?
Has Jonah seen the motor?
Yeah,
I had the hood popped earlier. I was looking at it.
I've seen the inside doors without panels.
Should we
No,
pop the
this
hood here?
this car is Japanese.
One? Yeah, this one. Oh, this is the Japanese Firebird then.
You know what Brock's you know Brock's car?
Yeah.
That's what this is.
With the gen before. This is a 91.
This is a 300ZX. It's a Nissan. You know what motor that is?
He just said it was from a Firebird, but no, I don't know the actual.
No. Like,
But technically, it's not from a Firebird. This is out of a
You
Corvette.
expect me
yeah, that's
to
a
guess that.
that's a Corvette motor.
You lied to me.
Well, the same motors came in the Firebirds, too.
Jonah's probably like, this isn't Forza. What do we got going on in here? What the fuck is that?
Vacuum at the shop.
No, we could totally go do some stupid shit because this is like a seat on its own.
No, we can.
And like, I could like sit between Chris's legs and we could get real sensual with it too.
I already called the trunk.
Serpentine belt. Oh my god. Ooh, that might actually piss my neighbors off.
Watch out with the ECU.
That's loud as fuck.
I think that's power steering. I'm not sure, but is it making that noise the whole time?
It sounded like a serpentine belt was
Yeah, that's what I thought at
Yeah.
first, too. guys know I'm on the fucking floor right now. Mirror is falling off. It needs to be glued on. It's been doing that.
Yeah, you need a tune really bad.
No,
Dude.
the tune and spark plugs. Oh, you piece of shit. Oh, like your car.
You got that pop tune? That shit is a lot louder than I thought it was gonna be. But I really do think I need 4 more cylinders because that shit is lame. That shit's sick. Let's see that unreleased content.
Spun out a little bit. You can see that the rear end just.
Oh, that scared you.
Oh yeah, I was shook.
Yeah, I was shook too.
Think
I was behind.
doesn't like traction at all.
So I kind of up a little bit. I was supposed to be in Allentown like an hour ago, but I just woke up and it's fine. I hope this car mate's cool. I gotta figure out how to get in for free because I got no cash.
Me neither.
Alright, we outside at the car meet. Already got people on the dyno. Want to die yet or what?
Diet?
Yes.
Why? What for?
It's too high. Bro, you were supposed to wake me up.
We tried.
Never speak again. Once I came into it, I'm so high. I don't wanna land. Rolling a fire, go lay in the sand. And I can't give that girl 2 chances. She's too drunk, I ain't making advances. 20 hoes in a mansion. They gon' do what I say like Charlie Manson.
Shut the car off! Shut the car off! It smells like methanol. Methanol?
Yeah.
It's leaking.
Okay.
Well, meth kit went out on it. Shit gonna catch on fire. That's not bad. You're fucking slow, pussy. Put it on the dyno. Yo, tell Derek's dumbass to put the rs3 on the dyno.
Paying customers in front of your footage.
Dude.
How much does it cost? How much is it?
Like 80 bucks.
I'll pay for it.
Derek's like the all-time like I'm fast and won't put his car in the dyno. You know why? Because he's a pussy and he's scared he's only gonna make 100 horsepower.
Put your car in the dyno.
I do all the time.
When?
Every time
Did I ask?
358. So that Benz made a lot more power than we thought. I by far have the dirtiest car here, but we're still parked up. We're at the trunk showing. Oh my god, bro. This shit is disgusting. Yo, is that Derek pulling up to the meet? Wait, what the fuck? Yo, dude, Derek's out here bugging. Put the slick under the hood. Bro, I'm doing like 900 things at once. Working at Dyno, trying to get content on Instagram and TikTok and YouTube. Ryan!
I might just put her on cam. Red guns on the pants. I hope we never speak again. Demos that came in and went. I'm so high up. I don't wanna land. Roll out of fire. Go lay in the sand. I might just put her on cam. Red guns on the pants.
Mopar, baby.
I hate Mopar. Give me that chain over there.
You look so majestic. Lester, what do you think?
We're good. We're gonna pull him off. Let's see, fix the grass.
Professional. There's a GTR with a bicycle on top.
He's pretty quick. Oh, there's a box there. I was like, what is this guy doing? The box in the tunnel.
Should I hit it? What's in that box?
Nah, you don't know what's inside that box.
There's nothing in it. That shit heats so good.
So, update for Stu's video because my camera died, so...
And you get to drive the RS3?
And I get to drive the RS3!
That's such bullshit.
But, Derek is at the hospital because he had a little thing called a Daza attack. So they had to give him drugs to calm down his testicle. And yeah, so we gotta drive him home.
Yeah, so he has back pain and multiple sclerosis. Fuck, never mind.
Basically, since he has an odd number of cylinders, his back is messed up.
Yeah, he's dying. Daza dead.
Daza dead.
Oh, we weren't kidding. We actually had to pick Derek up from the hospital. He's all hopped up on shit.
And the one day that I get to drive the RS3, I don't got no content, so really it's useless to me.
Yeah, your camera's dead. Just use your phone. Oh, that shit's almost dead too.
Damn.
It's a little up. I'm all alone now.
Oh, I'm telling you, this place is full of fucking content. We just put this fucking Benz on the dyno, like, not that long ago. And I think he's trying to race Yax, who's in Derek's car, but... yeah. And Yax is babying that, because Yax is probably freaked out.
Yo, Yax forgot this here. Alright, y'all, so that was, like, probably, like, a weird video. I don't know how it's gonna turn out, because I wasn't really recording anything special, but, Yax is gonna come pick this up tomorrow. Make sure you guys check in with him on his channel. He's got some super dope content coming soon, and we do too. This is gonna be the end of the video, guys. Make sure you're commenting, liking, subscribing, turning on post notifications, all that shit. Make sure you share these videos, guys, because my videos are a lot better than the views that you're getting. I gotta work on my titles. My thumbnails are pretty good. Gotta work on the titles, but yeah, I don't really have an option. We gotta blow this up because this is what I want to do, and I'm not gonna be happy doing anything else. So yeah. But peace out. Have a good day. And as I always say, and I need to remind myself sometimes, don't get overwhelmed.